We begin with the Ed Burke trial today. Jurors finally got to hear the former alderman use a now famous phrase. Here it is. So, did we land the tuna?
We heard it. Prosecutors say Burke was trying to use his city position to benefit his law firm during the development of the Old Main Post Office. And WGN's Dana Rebick is here now with the day's wrap-up.
Well, we heard about that phrase in opening statements that we would hear this on tapes, and today was the day that came out. The day, though, started with the judge denying a motion for a mistrial after Burke's attorneys objected yesterday when an Amtrak witness referred to the Chicago way of business as being very corrupt. We heard new FBI wiretap recordings of Ed Burke where this now famous tuna comment was made.
I think I've got some good news. I talked to Skydell today.
So did we land the tuna?
One of the most colorful and infamous phrases heard so far in the corruption trial of Ed Burke, in a recorded call with former Alderman Danny Solis. The pair discussing New York businessman Harry Skydell, who was redeveloping the Old Main Post Office. It was a reference to the big payday expected for Burke's private law firm if he were to reel in Skydell as a client.
Let's talk about Harry. He was really happy yesterday.
Was it good?
Because that Amtrak, but he says, I says, did Ed help you? I says, I think so. I mean, I've been using all kinds of things, but I'm very grateful if that's what it did. Wow.
Well, it can cut both ways, so
Yeah.
you know that.
The developers needed help clearing construction hurdles with Amtrak and the city water department. Burke was in a position to help on both, but it was apparent he wasn't going to pull any strings, growing frustrated at how long it was taking to win Skydell over.
How long have we been talking to this guy?
For a long time.
And has anything happened? This has been going on for 6 months, 7 months.
So it's not a done deal. He says that's what could become a deal.
In court Wednesday, Burke made a reference that the delay may be because Skydell, who was Jewish, only used Jewish law firms. In a new recording today, we heard Burke again make a similar statement.
Part of it could be that Black Hat, they're the only one to deal with Jews.
Burke repeatedly offered Solis a consulting fee if he were to bring business to him. Skydell never did hire Burke for the post office property, but promised to use him for another building he was buying.
I'm not very fond of the way they conduct themselves up until this point, and as far as I'm concerned, they know themselves.
For much of the afternoon, testimony focused on TIF financing and a Class L tax break. Some of that was so dry that one of the jurors actually fell asleep. The judge had to take a break and ask them to get up and walk around. Now, it is expected that tomorrow's testimony will move from the old post office to a developer named Charles Quay. This is another portion of this trial, and that involves a pole sign at a Binny's building, a Binny's liquor business. So that's what they're going to move on to tomorrow, it sounds like.
Sorting all this, the judge taking a look and saying, let's take a break and a walk.
Exactly. Yep.
All right,
Lots
Dana.
to dig through there.
A lot to keep track of. Okay,
Yes.
Dana, thank you.